Someone on the internet told me to press Windows plus R, paste in this, prove I'm human. I nearly did it. That single command could have downloaded and execute hidden code from a sketchy server. Today, I'm not doing it on my main PC. I'm running it inside a logged Windows Sandbox so that we can watch what it tries to do. Before we get started, only 9% of you guys have subscribed, so if you haven't, please subscribe. This is how the interface looks, and it looks like the normal proof that you are a human pop-up which normally shows when we are browsing the internet. So when I saw this, I decided to click on it to find out if I'm going to select some few things, but it popped up with this prompt and it showed me some actions to prove that I'm a human. And this was a bit scary because the first action they told me to do was to press Windows plus R, which I know it opens the Windows Run panel, and with this panel you can enter commands and a whole lot. But when I saw this, I decided to stop because I'm a Windows user and I know you can do a whole lot of things over here. So I decided to stop and paste it somewhere so that I can try with you guys. It's trying to tell me to press Ctrl plus V, which is a shortcut for pasting something, and when I did it, I saw this inside my run, but I couldn't see all of the code. So let's look at what this command does. So I'm just going to ask Gemini what this does, and the first thing I saw was this command is a malicious script designed to download and execute virtual basic scripts. Let me turn off transparency for us to see what's really happening. So what this command does is, first it downloads a script, which is a script in a VB script code snippet, and it's being downloaded from an IP address here. And with this, the second command that it does, it runs this command and it's very serious. So without wasting more time, let's run this command and see what happens. So I'm just going to click on OK to see what happens. I just had this and it says there is no file extension in this location. Oh, nice. So it's like Windows is blocking it, and let's see if there's a way we can run it in a different way. So what I'm going to do is to download the actual file on our Windows computer, and I'm using a Windows Sandbox, so I'm not that scared because everything is going to be saved. So I'll just copy the link and try and download this file. So I'm just going to show it on my desktop, and this is the file. So with this file, we can just open our control panel as administrator, and what I'm going to do here is to write W script and just drag this and add it over here and press enter. Now I'm seeing the same issue again and I don't know what's happening, but let me close it up. Alright guys, I tried several times on this sandbox and it's like I'm having the same issue, so I decided to go in an alternative way to look at how the code works, so that if there's any executable file, we can just run it straight away. So I'll just right click on it and open Notepad++, and this is how the code is. I'm seeing it's trying to source from the same IP address and download a setting.ims file, which is very crazy. So I'll just gather everything up and download the file on the computer. So what I'll do is to open the browser and paste in the IP address, and here what I'll do next is to copy the executable file name and also append it to the URL. So with this, I can just press on enter for it to start downloading, and I'll just save it on my desktop. Moment of truth guys, I'm going to double click on this. I don't know what's going to happen, but let's see. It's loading. Are you sure you really want to run this? Just press on run anyway. Okay, it's trying to open an installer setup for us to install something. I don't know what's really going to happen guys. Alright guys, it's been a few minutes now and I'm trying to cancel it to even run it as administrator to see what will happen again, but it seems it just stuck on this and everything is working fine though, but it's like there's something going on underground and I just don't know why it's been stuck over there. And in some few minutes, the Windows Sandbox has just popped up that am I sure I want to permanently close it and I'll lose everything, and I don't know why it's happening, but I think it's because of the malware. So guys, this is how it does, and I think it does a whole lot of things because this is a very serious malicious software. And the reason why I made this video is to let you know that there are some few hackers who are willing to hack you in any way, so you have to be careful with all the things you do over the internet. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't, please do not to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.